Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by freeing resources. Close all apps and force stop PubG Mobile so the game won't fight for bandwidth. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to force a fresh IP and cleared sockets. This often fixes transient lag. Make sure you connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or strong mobile data. 5 GHz reduces interference and increases throughput. If you use Wi-Fi, move closer to the router to improve signal strength and lower packet loss. You now optimize both device and router. On the router, enable Co-S and prioritize your phone or prioritize UDP game traffic so packets are queued preferentially. Then on your phone, set PubG Mobile to low-latency graphics or stable frame mode and disable background sync and auto-updates. These cut sudden bandwidth spikes. Also change your DNS to a fast resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to reduce hostname resolution delays. This smooths matchmaking. You finish by restarting both the router and phone together to clear routing caches and re-establish fresh NAT mappings. Then launch the game and check the in-game ping overlay for consistency. Make sure roommates aren't streaming or downloading large files while you play, and reduce the number of active devices on Wi-Fi. If instability continues, switch temporarily to a mobile hotspot to isolate whether your ISP or home network is the issue. This single test tells you where to focus next.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.